it's Meg, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 2 of Drunk Journal January. So if you've missed it, I'm going to be doing daily videos going along with each of the prompts for this month. I will leave the prompt list linked down below in the description in case you want to go and check it out. But basically it's a daily junk journaling challenge hosted by myself and MiaVibes over on Instagram. The response that we've had for day 1 already is just mind-blowing. Seeing all your creative pages is just really exciting, so I hope you're enjoying it so far. So day 2 is cozy vibes. So I think for this I want to create a page that's full of like warm tones and different like textures and things like that, and I've picked out a few things in my little box for this prompt just so that I was prepared, because I don't know, like sometimes I feel like when I'm filming these videos and it's like live, well it's not live, but do you know what I mean, like the camera's rolling, I feel like there's a little bit of pressure, so I have sort of picked out some things that I want to use ready, otherwise I'll be here for like ages figuring out what I want to do. So basically I just sort of want to create like a cozy collage in a way, and just using like lots of warm tones, things like that. I did find this, there was this image in a vintage book that I have. The book was about like something about housekeeping or something, and like doing DIY around the house, but it was from like the 60s, so it was quite funny. But they had this picture of like I think it was an office, but it's got like all books and flowers on the shelves, and that sort of like golden hour light coming through, so I really wanted to incorporate that. So, and I really want to incorporate some fabric as well into this page. So I think what I might do is have it hanging off the edge slightly so that it peeps out of my journal slightly. So I really want to create some like layered effects, so we'll go for there. And then what I'm going to do is just staple it on, because sometimes my glue does stick and sometimes it doesn't, so it's not going to go anywhere if I staple it. So I was worried I'd staple 2 pages together then. So yeah, I'm just going to staple it on. Stapling I just find is quite easy, and I don't mind how it looks because I can always like cover up that. And then this kind of creates, because I'm going to put this here, so it covers the staples anyway, but then now we've kind of got this little tuck spot on the other side of the page for when I come to this, so that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna, I think I want to pop that there, and I am going to glue that down just because that's paper, so I can obviously glue that down. So I'd love to know if you are enjoying the prompts so far. If you have posted pages to Instagram, please leave your Instagram name in the comments and I will go check out your pages. I'm trying to keep up with the hashtag as best as I can, so yeah, I'm really enjoying seeing all of the pages that are being created, and it's just a great way to start the new year. So I think I'm gonna do a, let's see, might do a bit of a collage on the other side as well. This is just like an old like envelope that I was just like, oh, it's brown paper, I'll keep it. So if I just pop a bit of this on here just to break it up a bit, we'll go down here. There we go. And that just creates like an unusual shape as well on my page. And then I've just got this like vellum with like, it's got writing on it, like cursive. So that's quite nice for some texture. And then I think I'm going to add this mustard yellow paper in as well, tuck it behind, so that adds some like warmer tones, but it's not too imposing, and it kind of ties the pages together. And I'm just gonna maybe have this across here. I really want to add a writing spot though. Let's see.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road, we crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear.
Then I think I'm gonna add some washi tape to the page. Choose from my little box of washi tapes. So I want to pick washi tapes that have like warmer tones to them to tie in with the rest of my page. I don't know if I want some more flowers. Let's see. Oh, so many to choose from. What's that one then? No, that's a Christmas one. Try those. So I'm just going to add these here because I feel like that was a bit disjointed, so I'm just going to add these in and bring the page together a bit, and I like how those tones go together. Let's see, what else do we have? Should we try another one of my paper pads? See if any of the tones match. That one goes quite well. So does that one. Let's see, that one's got more of a like pinky kind of tint to it, so we'll try this one. Kind of just want to add like a little bit of it sort of in the corner. Maybe going behind these. Oh, like that's nice, yeah, I like that. That really brings the like pink warm colours together, I think. And I think I might just do some bold like hand lettering of just cozy, maybe. And I did have a question about, because I wrote the for the prompt list, I put Cozy Vibes spelled C-O-S-Y. Now that's the British spelling, if anyone was getting confused, thinking that it should have been spelled C-O-Z-Y. Both are correct, but because I'm from the UK, we spell it C-O-S-Y, so just in case you were wondering. So that's why when I get my pen now, I'm gonna put C-O-S-Y. So yeah, it's not spelt wrong, it's just spelt different. Because for a second I did panic that I had spelt it wrong, and that would be a bit embarrassing because I have an English degree, so. But luckily I spelt it correct, so panic over. plus S's are fun to do with your hand lettering anyway. So, and then I'm just gonna bold this out. So a really like a cheat for doing like hand lettering is to write it out normally and then to thicken up the lines. So when you're doing hand lettering, it's usually the downstroke is thick, so like this Y, when you would write it, you would go down, so that bit wants to be thick, then you go up so it's thin, and then when you come back down it's going to be thick again, and then it looks like you can do cursive and calligraphy and all the rest of it, but you've really just sort of cheated a little bit and no one will know. There we go. So I think that might be everything I want to do on this page. That was like a really simple little collage. I don't think I want to add anything else. Obviously this image I don't really want to detract from it. I might just do a bit of writing about the image. And there we go. So that's my page for day 2 of Junk Journal January. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Bye!